Hey guys, it's your girl Sunshine Curls, and today I'm going to show you how to do these mini twists. This is a really great protective style for natural hair. It takes about an hour or more to do depending on how small you do them, and they could last for a week or even longer. Let's check it out. I'm starting with freshly washed hair, but if you want more length on this protective style, then you could definitely start with pre-stretched hair. So, let's get started. First thing we're going to need is a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizer. I'm trying a new product, can't wait. Then you're going to need water, and this is not leave-in conditioner. I have coconut oil in there. Can't see it, but believe me, it's in there. I'm trying it again. Hopefully it works well with my hair. Also going to need some clips and a new attitude. We know this is going to take forever to do. Okay, you can use a comb to part your hair neatly if you want, but I ain't gonna do that. Would've thought. So this is my first time trying the Manuka honey and yogurt leave-in conditioner. Well, that's if it would work. Bruh. Like, why is it trying to blame me on camera? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What the hell? Seriously? Really? Come on. Of course it will spray me right in the eye. Like, of course, only me. So I'm trying out this leave-in conditioner because it's supposed to be really good for extremely dry and brittle hair. And like, I've been neglecting my hair like crazy. So I needed the extra help today. Okay.
3 hours later.
And it was at this moment I wonder why I even started doing this hairstyle. But then you remember it's gonna be worth it though. I really love this protective style because it's great for any natural and for any season. Whether you have long hair, medium length hair, short hair, whether you're just starting your natural hair journey or you're deep in it, whether it's summer, winter, it's really great because it allows you to keep your hands out your hair for as long as you keep this style in. It's great to wear to work, out to a function. You could put it up, you could wear it all down, do half up, half down. Like, it's so versatile. And since it can be a bit time consuming depending on how small you're doing the twist, I definitely recommend you to do it whenever you have like some shows to binge watch or you have a couple of movies to get through. So I'm gonna add a hairpin on the side and just gel down my edges just a tidbit, just for a little razzle dazzle. And this is the finished product. I just love it when my hair comes out exactly how I want it to. The next time I do this style, I'm definitely going to get accessories on the twist, and I'm also going to use elastic bands on the roots just to prevent them from getting poofy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, and if you enjoy my content, hit subscribe. And I will see you next time.